Hey Gifty Babes, today I'm going to show you exactly how I do a maintenance on my client's Kinky straight K-tip extensions. My client has had her extensions in for about 3 months now, and on a monthly basis she does come back in for a shampoo, blowout, and restyling. So this is how I start the process. I go ahead and check the bonds out to make sure that everything is good. Then I shampoo my client's hair properly, bring her back to my chair, and we get into the blowing out process. You have to smooth out the roots of the K-tip extensions or it's not going to look good. And how I like to smooth out the roots is just taking my flat iron and pulling the hair towards my body, and that's going to allow the hair to smooth out from the roots without you damaging the client's hair or the extensions. Once you get the roots dried out, then you're going to go in with your paddle brush and you're going to dry the remaining portion of the hair. Take your time, be very gentle, be very slow with this, because if you add too much friction and pull, you might pull the extensions out of the hair. So again, I'm going to take my paddle brush and I'm going to be doing the chase method with the paddle brush and the blow dryer, just smoothing the hair down so that everything is dried and it looks nice. So using our Kinky Straight extensions from GiiftiHair.com, the Kinky Straight is a perfect natural texture for low maintenance, and it's going to blend into your hair so beautifully. The Kinky Straight texture comes in 14 all the way up to 28 inches. So if you're looking to add some length to your hair that looks natural, the Kinky Straight is your friend. With our K-tip extensions, you can do ponytails, half up, half downs, middle part, and side part. K-tip extensions is so beautiful. It's so seamless. It literally matches your own hair. And another benefit of these extensions, they last you up to 6 months. Yes, I said it right. 6 months in your head. You come back in for your 1 month maintenance, which is what we're doing right now, which consists of your shampoo, condition, blowout, and restyling of your natural hair. Your natural hair is going to be thriving in this process while you wear out your extensions. All right. So now that I'm done with the blowing out process, I'm going to go in and actually start styling my client's hair. I'm going to press her natural hair first, starting at her nape and then working my way up throughout the entire hair. You want to take your time because the way that you section and press out the hair, it's what's going to keep the style lasting for the entire month. All right. So you do want to take your time on this. I go row by row, sectioning out the hair, making sure that I'm flat ironing my client's natural hair from the roots. So I'm taking the flat iron and getting her roots from her natural hair. And I'm making sure that once I'm flat ironing the extensions, I'm going below the keratin bonds with the extensions, okay? And sometimes you might see me using the flat iron to get her roots. Most likely not in this video because her roots isn't growing out that long. That's why I smoothed it out in the beginning with just the blow dryer. All right. So again, I'm going to be pressing out the extensions now, but you see where I'm starting the press? I'm going under the keratin bonds. This is how you have to do your hair at home if you decide you want to go swimming. If you decide you want to wash your hair with your extensions in, this is the proper method that you can do to get your hair back regular again. You want to make sure you smooth the roots out with the blow dryer. Using your paddle brush, you want to dry the remaining of the hair. Then you go into sectioning the hair and press it out with your flat irons, making sure that you're getting your roots of the natural hair and going below the keratin bonds when you flat iron the next section. So I hope you guys are loving this video. I'm Giifti, the gift to your hair. You can get the K-tip extensions from GiiftiHair.com, and we are located in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. I am taking new clients right now, so if you're looking to get professional service done and get your extensions installed, definitely go to GiiftiHair.com and book an appointment, or also just shop our K-tip extensions. This is Kinky Straight in 16 inches of 200 grams that my client has in. For my client ending style today, she wants me to add some loose body wave curls throughout the hair. So that's what I'm doing. After I press out the roots and straighten out the ends of the hair, I go ahead and add some loose body wave curls using a big barrel. I love to use a big barrel just to create a nice wave. My client typically wears her hair in a straight state, so the curls are going to be loose and flowy, and then it drops later on. With the kinky straight texture, heat style is really nice, but I will highly recommend getting a flexi rod or a heatless curlers and doing overnight curls if you really want your curls to last a whole week or longer. The heat curls will probably give you a good hold from anywhere from a day to 3 days, really depending on how you wrap it at nighttime. But for you to really lock in some curls using a heatless curler or flexi rod overnight is going to be amazing. So with Giifti Kinky Straight Hair, you can wear it in the big blowing out state. You can press it out and have it more sleek, or you can go ahead and create some beautiful body wave curls. This texture is extremely versatile. It's very low maintenance, and it literally looks like your own hair, especially if you have 4C or a natural texture. So I hope you guys again are enjoying this video. Don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions about K-tips, extensions, or anything that has to do with hair. I'm Giifti, the gift to your hair, and this is how I do a K-tip 1 month maintenance on Kinky Straight Hair from giiftihair.com. And now we're going in and just sealing in my client's style using holding spray. I added a little bit of shine just for her curls to be nice and beautiful. And this is the end result of a 1 month K-tip maintenance appointment using Giifti Hair Kinky Straight in 16-inch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.